Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Brevo to N8N. First, go to the N8N website and log into your account. Then click on the Add First Step button. Now search for Brevo in the search bar and click on it when it appears. Then click on Action and choose any option, for example create an attribute. Next, click on Select Credential, then choose Create New Credential. Here, enter your API from your Brevo account. Then, click on Save to connect your Brevo account with N8N. Now, go back and select the resource such as Contact, Email Send, Contact Attribute, or Custom API Call. After that, choose the operation you want to perform, like Create, Upload, Delete, Get Many, or Custom API Call. Then, select the category of the attribute. Options include Calculated, Category, Global Normal, or Transactional. Now, enter the name of the attribute you are creating. Then choose the type. You can select from the date, float, text, or boolean depending on what kind of data you're handling. Now go back and review your setup. Then test the workflow to make sure your Brevo integration is working correctly in N8N. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.